Let's see how to create Facebook carousel ads. Actually, this is pretty easy. We just have to create several different banners and change its elements right at each copy. For example, I have these, and these. These are just three separate components. They don't belong each other. And I have some products. I just insert an image of the product. I add some text here and I get my ready banner. When I create it at first, I just do like this. I select this banner that I created. I copy paste it. Example to here, and I detach this component and I make it component again. So let's think that this is our fourth file, and now I just have to change all the text and images that I want. So as you understand, the general template stays the same. Banner looks very similar to this one, but if you need to change some text for another product or for another offer, you can just do it at this banner. So in general, if you need to create carousel ads, I suggest you not create very complicated templates that will allow you to create all the files together. I just recommend you to create components for such things as background, logo, for example, this bubble background, and if you need to change texts and images, you just do it in each copy. So create as many copies as you want, but don't create some single component that will be applied to others. I think this is too complicated for carousel ads, because when you create them, usually you have different products there or different text or something, and from this point you don't want to create components for everything. So you just need to create components for your background, for your logo, for this background, and that's it. And everything that is changed from one ad to another, you just set manually. But this doesn't mean that it doesn't save you time. It saves you a lot of time comparing to creating carousel ads in Photoshop or in Canva or whatever. Because anyway, if you want to change background, logo or something, you can use components, and even if you want to change text or images of your product, this is much easier to do in Figma than in Photoshop or Canvas. And finally, you have all these banners all together and you see all of them, and you can imagine how they will look at the carousel ads. Let's see it with the carousel ads. Go and create them.